Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text in Splice. Splice is a user-friendly mobile video editor that allows you to add stylish text, captions, titles and subtitles to your video. Adding text helps explain scenes, highlights key points, add quotes or make your content more engaging for social media. And here's a full step-by-step guide to adding text in Splice. First, you need to open to your Splice app, and once you get into this interface of the Splice, what you can do is you can either import your video clips or you can also go to your drafts, as I'm going to select one of the draft over here. And once it loads into the timeline, on the bottom we can find this text icon. Simply tap on this text and over here a text box will immediately appear on your preview screen. What you can do is simply type down any of the text that you want to put in the video, type your caption, title or the message, and after that you can tap on this small check bar beside it, and now you'll see the text placed on your video. You can also place it where you want it by simply tapping on this text and put it where you want to be, and you can twist with 2 fingers or rotate slightly if needed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.